I'm going to take your speaking interview. As you know, there are three parts in the speaking. In part first, I will ask you some questions regarding your likes and dislikes. In part two, I will ask you a cue card and I will give you 1 minute to prepare that topic in which you have to speak 2 minutes. After that, we will move to part three, in which I will ask you some questions regarding the cue card. Okay? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your good name?
My name is Praveen Kaur.
Okay, how may I call you?
You may call me Praveen.
Okay, Raveen, can I see your ID? Okay, let's talk about concentration. When do you concentrate?
There are so many times when I concentrate, like whenever I think some important decision and whenever I study, at that time I concentrate related to my studies.
Okay, do you find it difficult to concentrate?
Well, honestly speaking, yes, because there are so many situations when I find difficult to concentrate, like whenever someone stop me while I am concentrating, and sometimes my sister and brother also interrupt me when I do some concentration.
Do you think you can do two things at the same time?
Well, honestly speaking, not because I cannot manage both things at a one time, and I think it is difficult for me.
How do you concentrate?
Well, first of all, I find peaceful place where I concentrate, and second thing that sometimes I prefer to do yoga, which can also beneficial for me to do concentration.
Let's talk about laugh. Do you like to watch movies or TV shows that make people laugh?
Well, I mostly watch both things because there are so many famous television shows which are broadcast on so many channels, and also I prefer to watch some comedy movies in the season.
Do you usually make your friends laugh?
Well, yes, because there are so many situations in my life where I make my friends laugh. Like whenever they feel sad, at that time I crack some jokes and make them happy.
Do you think it is important to laugh with friends?
Well, it's according to the situation. Well, there are some situations in which people don't laugh, which are related to some incident related to sadness, and there are some situations in which people can laugh, which are related to some happy moments.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Now we will move to part 2. I will give you cue card now. This is your cue card. Describe a foreign person who you have here and known that you think is interesting. You have 1 minute to ask you. Your time starts now. Over. We start.
Well, there are so many famous personalities which are related to different field and different spectrum, I know, but here I would like to talk about one particular person who I admire the most, and I think he is very interesting. The name of the person is none other than Justin Trudeau. He is the present president of Canada, and there are so many things which make him different from another person. Like first thing is that he is belong to a very poor family, and he qualified his graduation from a very small college, and apart from it he do so many hard work to achieve his goal in his life. And related to his previous life, in his earlier life he was doing a job in a small restaurant, and apart from it, when he do his studies, and he get a ticket of legal party which is related to the liberal, and apart from that.
For now, I will ask you some questions regarding this cue card. Ask you some questions regarding this cue card. Okay? Do you think it's important to know the culture and language before going to another country?
Yes, definitely it's important to learn the culture and the language of foreign country, because there are so many different languages. First of all, when a person can migrate one place to another, if they know the language, they can easily survive there. And another thing is that culture can help them to easily indulge with another people which are not related to their culture.
Okay. What abilities do people need to have when working in an international company?
Well, there are so many qualities in which a person have with work in an international company. First is that the person is very hardworking. Another thing is that he become very punctual. He or she become very punctual because if a person cannot complete their task on a time, it is not good for them and for their company. Another thing is that he become honest toward their work and do all work honestly.
Would you like to do job in a foreign company?
As honestly speaking, yes, if I have the opportunity to work in a foreign organization, I definitely take this opportunity because it is very beneficial for me and for my family.
What are the benefits of working in the MNCs?
Well, there are so many benefits of working in MNC. First, thing is that people can earn handsome amount from that organization, and the thing is that this company can provide them so many facilities which is related to their workplace and their living style. And another thing is that this organization is very sporty, and they can easily indulge in that field.
Okay, Parveen, this is the end of your interview. Have a nice day.